Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Cash App and enable Bitcoin trading, beginner guide step by step clearly. To log into Cash App, begin by locating the Cash App icon on your device. Tap the icon to open the application. You will be taken to the login screen. If you already have an account, enter your registered phone number or email address. Once you've entered your information, tap on the Send Me a Code button. Check your messages for a verification code. Enter the code into the app where prompted. After verifying your identity, you will access your Cash App account. Now, to enable Bitcoin trading, tap on the Bitcoin icon on the home screen. If you don't see the icon, use the search feature to find it. Tap on Enable Bitcoin to start the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a secure account for Bitcoin trading. You may need to provide additional identification or verification information. After completing the necessary steps, navigate back to the Bitcoin section. Toggle the button to enable Bitcoin trading. You are now set to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin within your Cash App account. Make sure to check the fees associated with Bitcoin transactions. Review any additional security measures that Cash App recommends. You are now ready to begin trading Bitcoin securely in Cash App. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.